Where's the pool?
Oh, we don't get a pool.
Jared's calling you.
You must really miss me. You call me every 5 minutes.
Whatever, bitch. You call you like once a day.
Uh-huh.
Something's wrong with your focusing system. Oh. Hi.
What?
Like potty. Don't say the PISS word.
Like this?
You're going the wrong way. Exit that way.
So,
Oh, we actually have windows?
brother,
That's
that was...
why they were so slow. Get out of town.
If you guys haven't been following along, a couple, like, 500 miles out of Vegas, we lost the alternator in this car, but we got it fixed yesterday. Yep, she's still charging.
Yep.
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 So, we're back in action. Today's day 4 of our vacation trip theme of Auburn, and I'm bored.
You're bored?
I'm thinking I'm going to go buy a car today.
It's usually what happens when Devin's bored.
No, I'm kidding. It's been fun. But we don't really have any plans today, so I suggested...
I planned out that.
That's what I'm saying. I'm getting to it, bucko. I had Bobby come up with a grand plan, and of course that includes we're going to breakfast. So we're going to breakfast. Sweet. Vegas has been like flooding and shit.
Because it's been raining so much.
Yeah.
And their flooding system just isn't that good.
It's quite ass.
Yeah.
So, hey, fucker. And clearly people here do not know how to drive with a dam. So, if you live in Vegas, you should probably learn how to drive because you suck at driving. Also, there's no cool cars here. I hate to break it to all of the Vegas boys, but...
What are you talking about?
Bobby, I haven't seen a single other 90s shitbox. There's no FDs. I haven't seen any Supras. I haven't seen any Skylines. I've seen one NSX, and I'm in.
Honey, Las Vegas has some of the nicest cars in the United States.
We're gonna go Guinea.
Usually, like, people don't drive 90s shitboxes around.
I do.
Make sure to pull your back.
Is that Michael Jackson?
What? That's a female, a white female, blonde hair.
Look at that girl. She loves the NSX.
You know what he's saying?
This motherfucker.
She's so loud.
Look at that. This is ridiculous. I came to Vegas for sunshine. Alright, here's the deal. I'm gonna gamble and I'm gonna win all the money. That pays for the NSX.
Whoa, $1.70.
I'm wealthy. I won $24.
Honey, good job.
That's a double of my money. I'm cashing the fuck out. Quick update. I lost it all in 3 bets.
I will find a penny machine and we're gonna win it back. I hate gambling. One more. So this isn't a game of luck. People think that this is a game of luck. It is not. You really gotta think with your head how you're gonna win. Alright? $1.34. Let's figure out like what.
Oh, you're one of them nerds.
No, I'm not. What did I win? It says that I won 0. House.
What are we doing?
We're going on an adventure.
Is this that AI bullshit?
No.
Yeah.
We've been on this before.
What?
In California. Are you ready for flight? That's us. Devin, Chick-fil-A, I said. Or take me to freaking eat somewhere. I'm hungry. Can't you tell? You were driving in NSX, not freaking W that's parked in the middle of Deer Park Field. Ooh, you scraped it. You freaking scraped a freaking, what's the body of this thing called? Honey, freaking
No, I'm seeing if I can fit under.
Are you kidding me right now?
I cannot. Shit.
God bless you.
You know, shut the fuck up. If I wasn't with such a pansy, that would have been free, but you're a pansy.
You know what you are? An experience.
In bed,
Sure, and everything.
like diamonds in the sky, shine bright. Bud Light.
Honey,
The home of.
go to Shake Shack or Chick-fil-A.
We're not going to fucking Shake Shack. We've been eating like dog dick every day.
Chick-fil-A.
Bobby, that's even worse. I would rather eat ass. Where the hell's our Airbnb at?
What? You're not taking me to food?
Whoop. You're not allowed to see our Airbnb.
No, you got us a trailer park home. Devin got us a trailer park in the middle of the desert. I'm excited.
If this guy would fucking message me back in this car. Noob. Why is nothing loading? This Sin City fucking godless society. This place, I hate this place. Go ahead. Alright. You got an hour 30 drive.
I thought you said it's 30 minutes.
That's what I thought, but I was wrong.
Ooh, lightning.
I think that's ours. This is where we're staying tonight. It's a wide open dome, so you sleep, and it's like you're sleeping outside, but it's actually a big, glass dome. What?
I'm gonna go close the gate.
Okay.
Can you help me?
Hello? Come here, donkey boy. So that's where we slept last night.
So cool.
I slept. Bobby didn't sleep.
I did.
The moon was too bright for Bobby.
No, it wasn't too bright. Well, it was.
And then we woke up to donkeys. Bobby's favorite animal, apparently. Because she's really good at making the donkey noise. You wanna try? just bought this car.
Okay. Alright, man. Lucky day. I gotta go. Oh, thanks, man.
Lucky day. I literally did nothing wrong. Earlier, I hit 100 miles per hour. Oh, 91 NSX at 19,000 miles. Guess how much?
93.
130.
Sheesh.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. The day okay?
You as well. It looks like milk. Honey, don't be mean.
Why is there like 2 ice cubes in it?
Maybe that's just what they do in Ferrum. Maybe they have a ban on ice in Ferrum. Read our test.
Yours looks way better than mine.
Well, I wonder why. Because I know how to order.
No, you, honey. So
We should probably just go to Starbucks.
for real. It's not bad.
It's pretty rough. I'd say it's a 3 out of 10. What's yours?
I'm just imagining what kind of machine they made this coffee on.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. I'll drink it. That's what you get for rump.